Hello guys, and welcome back to another School-Tastic video. Today's video is all about version 3.1. I hope you enjoy. So as the intro explained, yes, the version 3.1 is out. And this video is all going to be about version 3.1. Once again, I hope you enjoy. Stay tuned until the end of the video because I will be giving some sponsors slash shoutouts. Hope you enjoy it once again. So, recently we have fixed the bugs of the members chat. Yes, it used to be glitching and it used to be stuck on Let's Chat, but now you can talk to separately. So if you want to talk to me, Taha Pracha, you can talk to me separately, not just all five of us. So just a quick note, some information about that. But now let's get into the real video. So yes, version 3 also is congratulating Manchester City for winning the Premier League. Congratulations once again, Manchester. Well done. So if you did not know, if you scroll down here, we have changed it. We have our three text fields over there. A website containing math, English, history, science, moral education, and about sports. Play our games, get social, on forum, the blog, members page, read fantastic information and facts. So that's like an advertising thing. This the middle text is basically telling our viewers, aka you, the subjects that we offer, and then this one is who it's made: me, Tal Pracha, Nicholas Okori, my brother Mohammed Pracha, and Omar Sankira and Ryan Nagel. So if you are experiencing any problem, you can just email us at School-Tastic Managers. You don't need to type it in, just tap that button. It will bring you over there, and then you can type it all in. So let's go check out these new triangle buttons. If you did not know already, if you tap this, it's going to bring you to a pop-up, which is our coming soon page. Over here you can see the new games. Click email us, click here, check what's new, check our status, continue site, visit the forum. So also you can also check out what's new. This is one way to get there. As you can see, we have this is some information about version 3.1, some email buttons over there, and if you want some more information about the quiz, you can all click there. So if we go back, then let's go to, if we go back to the home page, as you can see, we also have the check what's new section over here too. So yeah, it's the same. The email, the version 3.1 information, and all the buttons here. And these buttons do work, so if you want to check it out, you can just push go, and as you can see, we redesigned it. So now we are going to go to the status. So in the social section, that is the status at the bottom over there. You can tap it, and then as you can see, it's all here. Now, if you did not know already, we had a maintenance break over here on Thursday, May 16, 4 p.m. UAE time to 7 p.m. UAE time. If you want some more information, just check here, because as you can see, and then you can add this to your calendar, but I think it's a bit too late because the thing passed already. So if you're an iOS/OS that goes under Mac and Apple devices, you can go to iCalendar, Google Calendar, Yahoo Calendar, and Outlook Calendar. So we will put all the events and coming up events on this calendar here. As you can see, our people's birthdays could also be here, there. So, but that's for you to check out, and to check out more people's things. So yes, if we scroll down here, you could also see the what's new area. It's the version 3.1 area too. So now, if we go back home, we also have our fast menu. So here we have our fast menu. Yes, so it did bring us up for the home. Spectacular sports, crazy karting, social. As you can see, it's all there. Heroic history, maths. So it's all there. Super science, all here. More education. I recommend you visit our new page, Internet Safety, because you can learn a lot of new facts. As you can see, this is how you could make sure that you are on the internet safely. Shout out to Mohammed Paracha for making this page, aka one of the founders of School-Tastic. He made the tips, and we used some Wix images too, so shout out to wix.com. So, as you can see, we have the personal information, strangers hacking your account, and many more tips and stuff like that. So, thank you once again to Mohammed Paracha. Now, as you can see, over here we have our new bubble over there. So, yes, when we do make something new, we will add it over there. It's not a button, but it will be soon, so stay tuned for that. Also, you can check out our YouTube channel, which is School-Tastic. This is going to be on my YouTube channel, and as you can see, I upload all my videos and all the tutorials and School-Tastic information, including 3D explainer toolkits, ads, and many more. You can go check that out in the playlist section below. So, going back to School-Tastic. We have our new loading screen over here. It's our logo. Now, some people are complaining that it takes so long to load in. It isn't any of our fault, it's just the Wi-Fi. Also, our intro now has improved. We got our email over there. We got all of these. As you can see, our new, what's coming soon, and our status. It's all the same pop-ups. As you can see, the coming soon area is here. Also, we are making children's books. If you do make a book and you would like to share it and be like part of the School-Tastic book team, you can just email us and we will accept it. You need to send us a PDF or images. It's your choice, and make sure that we can be able to put it on the website. We'll try our hardest to put any type of book / image / PDF on the website itself. And yes, at the bottom we are making an app. We are working with Apple, so, well, not really working, but we are contacting an Apple employee, so that's going to be fun to check out soon. I'll tell you when the app is ready. So yes, no clickbait, I am going to give out some YouTube sponsors. So, check out my boy Kikalus1000. He uploads so many videos. As you can see, he uploaded a School-Tastic website, the world's best website. He does Fortnite Battle Royale. He does reacting videos, subscriber videos, green screen videos, some funny videos like Bullying Cleverbot, speedrolling. There's like an application he uses to make like fun animations. He does also building challenges, his intro, more Fortnite gaming, Minecraft, and many more like random things and roadblocks. And yes, he is also one of our employees, so go check him out and subscribe. You can join his community on Discord, which is called Team 1000. So yeah. Also, I'd like to give a shout out to Dempsey Daily, another YouTuber who is Ryan Nagel, one of the founders of School-Tastic. Okay, so another YouTuber, Dempsey Daily, Dempsey Dude. He has 40 subscribers. Go check him out on YouTube. He does amazing content like live sub count, where I live, Fortnite gaming, some funny information like speedrun 2, roadblocks, Minecraft, all those stuff. So you can go check them out.